the local para
What do you want to do local?
yung local anesthesia. The one the pinakamalayo first coming in now very slowly. This is it. Yan lang. That's it. Needle's not moving anymore. It's just the skin stretching. That's why it hurts. But the needle's not moving.
Oh, sorry for my language.
That's okay. I'm coming out now. Okay, that's one. Number two, on the upper na. Coming in now slowly. This is it. Yan lang. Okay, good.
Doing good, Bev.
Oh!
Oh, the skin stretching lang. It's okay. I'm coming out now. Last one. Other side. Coming in. That's it. Okay, good.
Last one, Bev. Last one.
Okay, I'm coming out na. Done. Okay.
Good job! Oh, that shit hurts.
The local hurts more. When I put in now this thing, you won't even feel much of it.
Yeah, but it still hurts.
Manhid na yan.
Manhid in a while.
Yeah, we give it usually 15 seconds.
Oh.
Hey, I had 3 cesareans, Alexandra.
I
I had 3 spinal taps? No, spinal.
Epidural yun.
Epidural.